Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is Timer RTC-based Smart Medicine Reminder System using Arduino with voice module and GSM SMS alert. So here we are using a 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and it's sending the data to Arduino board, 5 volts power supply, and there are 4 push buttons: set a timer, timing set, increment, decrement, and set tablet timings. 4 LEDs and 4 IR sensors whether tablet is taken or not. So RTC module DS3231 RTC module and 16 cross 2 LCD display connected to the 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and one alarm, GSM SIM 800C for SMS alert and call alert, and APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC. It will give you the voice alert. And this is total block diagram of the project. And let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source we are using, and here we are using one GSM module SIM 800C. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance. Okay, slowly insert the SIM card. Cut should be always outside. Insert it. So power supply board, bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, LED. So there are 4 LEDs. So tablet 1 LED, 2, 3, 4 LEDs. IR sensor module tablet 1, tablet 2, tablet 3, tablet 4, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, alarm, 80 mega 2x60 board, APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, and DS3231 RTC module, and set timing. Okay, smart medicine reminder system using Arduino with voice alert and GSM SMS alert. Initializing GSM module. So now GSM module initialized successfully. LEDs also stop. Okay, time 3:45. Now time is 1:33. So now I will make it as a 2 o'clock. Okay, so set increment, decrement. Okay, so I am going to make the time. Okay, okay, then okay, today Sunday 7/9/2025. So time is set. So now I am going for the set the tablet timing interval. Okay, afternoon. Okay, afternoon set. Okay, time 2 o'clock. Okay, 2 o'clock second minute. Okay, then 2 o'clock. Okay, I will go for 4th minute. 2 o'clock 5th minute. 2 o'clock 6th minute. Timer is settled successfully. So RTC module. Now time is 3 o'clock now. I am going to change time, should be 2 o'clock. So 2 o'clock second minute first output. Okay, so this is GSM model, power supply board, small beep sound, 80 mega 2x60 board, APR 33A3 voice recorded and playback IC, 8 ohm speaker module, and there are 4 switch buttons: timer, increment, decrement, set timer module. So RTC timing set for the medicine, and the here DS3231 RTC module we are using, and 16 cross 2 LCD display, character LCD display. Whatever the process is going on, that should be displayed on the LCD, connected with 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is our block diagram. Switch pin numbers connected with the second, third, fourth, fifth GPIO pin numbers. LEDs connected with A0, A1, A2, A3 GPIO pin number. 4 IR sensors connected with A4, A5, A6, A7, like that. If medicine is not taken, it will tell you medicine not taken. If medicine taken, no SMS alert. Take first medicine. First medicine. No, I am not taking the first medicine. It will send the SMS alert as well as call alert. Call alert is a option. Okay. So now, so medicine not taken. Now it is sending the SMS alert. Message sent. Yeah, first medicine not taken. Reminder it. One call alert also. Small call alert. Beep sound. Sending SMS to. It is going to student mobile number. Second call. First medicine LED glowing. Okay. So you are not taken. Now it is sending as a SMS alert. First medicine not taken. So 2:04 is the second medicine. 2 o'clock 4th minute second medicine. Second medicine.
Take second medicine. Take second medicine. Take second medicine.
Okay.
Take second medicine.
Second medicine.
Take second medicine.
Second medicine taken. Thanks. Okay. Ready. So second medicine. Okay. So there is no SMS alert. So like that, third medicine and fourth medicine. If you are not taken, third medicine not taken, second medicine not taken, first medicine not taken. So if you taken, that only it will show you on the LCD medicine taken. Thanks. So like that we will get the SMS alerts.